Hello again, this is an unboxing and review of the Makita DCL180ZB or XLC02XB as it's known in the US market. This is an 18-volt cordless vacuum cleaner. We will go over why I chose this model and what else is available from Makita, especially in this budget category. So without further ado, let's get started. So why did I choose this model? First thing, to my knowledge, this is one of the cheapest vacuum Makita makes compatible with the 18-volt battery ecosystem. I was looking for a budget model, so this is it. It has cordless operation with the Makita battery. It is rather small and compact. It uses no bag, so this is a plus in my book. I find it messy dealing with changing bags or emptying them out. And finally, it can be used on the floor with the provided T-nozzle, as well as without for tabletop vacuuming. Of note is also the large selection of vacuums from Makita, such as robotic vacuums or upright vacuums, but in this case we're taking a look at compact vacuum cleaners. Even in this section we can see a plethora of models and kits that can be purchased from Makita. Another aspect to pay attention to is the model number in the US market. In this case, it's XLC02XB. And in the EU and Canadian market, it is DCL180ZB. Pretty much the same vacuum cleaner, just that the nomenclature varies. Now that all that is out of the way, let's begin the unboxing process. First thing we see is a brochure from Makita with over 270 tools that they have available. Next, the user manual that we will not look at. The so-called T-nozzle, which on the back has 4 plastic rollers. These will help the vacuum glide better during operation. Next, we find the black extension attachment and the crevice nozzle. And finally, the pièce de résistance, the main unit housing the brushed motor, container plus filter system, and battery connector. Twisting the container will unlock it from the unit and the cloth filter becomes visible. Not a HEPA filter here, so do not expect wonders with fine particulates re-entering the environment. Removing the main filter, we are presented with a secondary filter just before the motor entrance. Finally, removing the second filter reveals the motor. Okay, let's put this thing back together and see what it can do. First we will insert the black extension attachment, followed by the T-nozzle, and in this case a 5 amp hour battery. The battery does not come with a vacuum cleaner, it is something that I had lying around. Time to switch to the crevice nozzle and start using this vacuum cleaner for what I actually got it for, my 3D printers. Time to look at the results, so let's see what we have. I'm quite impressed with what it has been able to pick up. Everything from big plastic pieces to dirt is present in the container. The 5 amp hour battery also shows no signs of flinching after about 5 minutes of use. Based on the specs, this vacuum should run for about 25 to 30 minutes. This brings us to my final thoughts, and I would like to go over the pros and cons of this product. I see the pros as a small and compact vacuum cleaner, inexpensive, powerful enough in most cases, ease of use, and cordless operation. The cons, in my opinion, are the fact that it has a brushed motor instead of a brushless motor and no HEPA filter. Overall, the vacuum has left a good impression, so I would advise on you to go get it if you're looking for something similar. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.